Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 7. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now tap next, agree and continue. Let's try it out. Hey Google. OK Google. Sometimes we'll have to retrain the voice model. So let's return it and say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Tap finish and let's try it out again. OK Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy, with a high of 17 and a low of 13.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.